How to fix recently deleted option not showing on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix recently deleted option not showing on your Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just go ahead and open up our Instagram, and first I'm going to show you where this recently deleted option is actually located. And if you're from your homepage or from any other page, we should be at our profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And now you should be at your profile page. And from here, let's just click on this 3 dash line at the top right corner. And click on your activity right below the settings option. So let's just click on that. And this is where you can actually manage your activities, such as the options to manage your photos, videos, account, and activity on Instagram. And once we scroll down a bit, you should see the option that says recently deleted or right below the archived option. So this is where you can view and manage the content that you have recently deleted. And once we click on that, you should be able to see all the media that you have recently deleted, such as like this one, I can see the story that I have recently deleted. And if you have a problem on not being able to see the posts or stories or any other media that you have recently deleted from Instagram, the solution that we're going to do is to offload the app. So to do that, you just go out of Instagram and go to the settings page. And from here, click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and from here you should see the list of apps. So let's just locate on where Instagram is and just click on it. And what we're going to do is to click on Offload App. So offloading the app will clear the cache of the app and also force update the Instagram app and basically help to reset things and hopefully fix this issue of the recently deleted option not showing on your Instagram. So just click on Offload App and reinstall the app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.